Hey there, you're sitting in front of your computer, scrolling through endless options for online banking. You've heard of Relay Bank, but you're not sure if it's the right fit for you. One question lingers in your mind: does Relay Bank give loans? Hook. We've all been there. You need a quick cash infusion for an unexpected expense, and your traditional bank is either too slow or simply unwilling to lend. So, does Relay Bank offer a solution? Building context. Before we dive into the specifics, let's take a quick look at what Relay Bank is all about. It's a digital-only bank that's been gaining popularity in recent years. They offer a range of banking services, including checking and savings accounts, as well as debit cards and online bill pay. But what about loans? The main question. Does Relay Bank give loans? The short answer is, it depends. Explaining the it depends. While Relay Bank doesn't offer traditional personal loans like you might find at a brick-and-mortar bank, they do have other options that could be helpful. Here's a breakdown. Overdraft protection. This feature allows you to avoid overdraft fees by automatically transferring funds from your linked savings account to cover any shortfalls in your checking account. While it's not technically a loan, it can be a lifesaver in a pinch. Credit builder loans. These loans are designed to help people with limited or no credit history build their credit score. They're typically small loans with fixed interest rates, and they can be a great way to establish a positive credit history. Business loans. If you're an entrepreneur, Relay Bank may offer business loans. However, these loans can be more competitive than traditional business loans, so it's important to shop around and compare rates. Comparing to other banks. Now that we know what Relay Bank offers, let's compare it to other banks. Traditional banks often have a more extensive range of loan products, including personal loans, mortgages, and auto loans. However, they can also be more bureaucratic and have higher interest rates. Online banks like Relay Bank, on the other hand, tend to have fewer loan options but often offer lower interest rates and faster approval times. They're also more likely to have online applications and automated decision-making processes. Factors to consider. When deciding whether or not to get a loan from Relay Bank or any other bank, there are a few factors to consider. Your credit score. Your credit score will significantly impact your eligibility for a loan and the interest rate you'll be offered. The loan amount. The amount you need to borrow will also influence your options. Your loan purpose. The reason you need the loan can affect the type of loan you're eligible for. Conclusion. So, does Relay Bank give loans? While they don't offer traditional personal loans, they do have other options that can be helpful, especially for people with limited or no credit history. Whether or not Relay Bank is the right choice for you will depend on your individual circumstances. If you're looking for a loan, it's always a good idea to shop around and compare offers from different banks. That way, you can find the best deal for your needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.